My name's Ed Rizzardi. I've been building custom furniture for 45 years. I primarily specialize in freestanding custom pieces of sculpted furniture. In 1980, I had the opportunity to meet Sam Maloof, a very renowned woodworker in the industry, and I was just taken by his designs and his work and came back to my shop and began my first rocking chair. I called it the Rockerless Rocker, and from there it evolved into, I've done 35 rocking chairs in my lifetime, and I think I've got them down pretty well now. So rocking chairs are my favorite piece of furniture to build. What my clients are looking for when they buy a piece of furniture are two main things: the quality of the furniture and the artistic look to it. That it's not just a square box with rounded corners. It's a sculpted piece of furniture that has a beautiful look to it. Many people are looking for the uniqueness that when they have a party, somebody comes over and says, wow, I've never seen that before. It's a one of a kind. That's what they're looking for. A lot of the furniture I design myself. I have made pieces for clients that we've had mutual input. Sometimes I get almost 100% input from the customer. My question I always ask them is, what do you want? What are you looking for? Then I try to put my experience and design ideas into what they're looking for. The type of joinery that I use to make furniture is something that will last a lifetime. Even though I do use screws and plugs over the screws, the appearance is that it's a dowel. You're aiming for perfection in the construction and perfection in the artistic look of the piece. And when you look at a piece of furniture, it just doesn't look good from the front view or the side view. If you rotate it and look at it in every aspect, it's just eye-appealing all the way around, as if it were a sculpted piece of furniture, and that's what it is. For more information, click on the link below to my website, and you can see a variety of furniture that I've done both present and past.